Welcome to iTech Media. Today we're going to be reviewing the Game On RGB mechanical gaming keyboard. This keyboard surprised me because it started at the starting point of $30. It has RGB, it's mechanical, and has a wrist rest. So let's turn it around, shall we? To start off, let's look at the features. It has blue mechanical switches and solid aluminum frame, programmable RGB backlit keys with radiant lighting effects, anti-ghosting for simultaneously keystrokes, programmable software for macros, and a magnetic wrist rest. That's right, a wrist rest. I did open this before recording, so let's open it. So you're gonna flip these flaps up, both of them, and then turn the box around and lift up. You're going to see a flap just like this one. Now I'm opening this with one hand, so sorry for taking long. So we're going to open the box up just like that. As I told you, I did open this before, so it's not going to be the exact same thing. So they have this protective film on top. We're going to take that off. And then you can see the keyboard. As you can see, the cord, I didn't do it the best job. Sorry about that. So, as you can see, this is our keyboard right here. Pretty nice for a $30 keyboard. The clickiness is alright. So let's lift the keyboard up. As you can see, my horrible cable management. Not very good looking on my part. Sorry about that again. But as you can see, the wrist rest comes in this nice baggie. So let's take this off. Now the wrist rest is made out of plastic. It's not like a soft plush pillow. So let's take this off, the plastic film. Another thing to note is that this keyboard does come from Walmart. So use that information however you want. Now, as you can see, it is plastic, which means it's hard. But after using it for quite a while, I think it's alright. I wouldn't be, sleeping on it. It also comes with the manual, as you can see here. This tells you all your RGB configurations and everything. Pretty sweet. It says RGB mechanical gaming keyboard. Now, this also comes with a quick start guide, as you can see here. We're gonna get that out of the way. And it also comes with a CD. But I mean, who uses CDs now? So let's get rid of this box and get a better look at that keyboard, if I can get it with my one hand. Alright, so we have the keyboard in front of us. So let's do a sound test. So this keyboard is rocking blue mechanical switches, which I don't recommend to streamers because this keyboard is very loud. You can hear it a lot. But let's take a look at those RGB options. So this is a look of how the wave colors look in the dark. So it may look a bit wash off, but trust me, in person it actually looks pretty nice, and you can change the brightness. So that's going to be it for the Game On RGB Mechanical Gaming Keyboard.